So what we're doing is continuing this video for the Tx12100. So what simply happened was I not pressed the wrong button right at the end. So set the system up, 22mm screw fit in there, 22mm outlet, set the machine up to dump and suck. So it's sucking and returning back to the tank down below. So, like I said before, if you wanted to, what you can do is put a fitting into here with a high pressure hose and take this bung out. So when you let go of the trigger, the water returns back round the head. This system makes it so this machine can be left running. You'll have no problems at all. You've got no pressure in the system itself because it's a flow sensitive unloader, so the gun itself has got no pressure in the system, which we'll show you in a minute or two. And like I say, so the machine is not surging, jip, jip, jip. But what it's also done is, if this head is worn and damaged inside with the unloader going up and down all the time, what it's done is save you a fortune on replacing the head. You can put a trapped unloader in if you wanted to as well. It can be done the same way. It doesn't have to be flow sensitive, but we normally go flow sensitive. Make sure you get the right unloader for the pump pressure and everything else. This pump's 12 litre 100 bar, 05 jet. So like I say, make sure you get the right unloader and set the unloader right. There is a video showing you how to set the unloader. When you're pulling that trigger, what you're wanting out of this dump side is a slight drizzle coming out of there. That's all out of this unloader system. Left hand thread on this nut. So when you're setting it, make sure you remember that it's a left hand thread on the nut on the top, and then lock it off. Like I say, this unloader is redundant, not used whatsoever. All you've done is take all the grubbings out of the head itself, make it into a normal head. This can be done on any machine in the marketplace with an integral unloader, same way as I've just done now. So if you've got a machine on that side, it can be changed over. And like I say, what we'll do is demonstrate the flow sensitive, so the system is sat there with zero pressure in the high pressure hose. So we've turned the machine on, got the machine up and running. So what's simply happening is, you'll see when we pull the trigger, there's no water going down that tube. When we let go of the trigger, you've got water travelling down. And that's on the flow and return system. Yeah, what I'll do is show you the non-trap pressure system in the high pressure hoses, so your system's got no pressure in. So, like you can see here now, what we've got here is this system itself. Normally, if that was doing that, or the old system, the machine would be going chip, 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 chip. This high pressure hose, the system itself, is under no pressure. You can leave it running all day long, this machine, so the hose itself has got zero pressure in there when it's not being used. When we pull the trigger, we've then got pressure. Like I say, with it being flow and return, you can leave the machine running, sucking and returning all day long. You'll do no harm to the machine. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.